Keeping your crypto safe is the top priority, and that starts with having a solid backup of your wallet. In this video, we're going to walk through the essential steps to back up and restore your Bifrost wallet, a crucial skill for every crypto holder. First, let's talk about the backup process. Your Bifrost wallet is non-custodial, which means you have full control of your private keys. The backup for this wallet is your recovery phrase, a series of 12 or 24 words. This phrase is the master key to your funds. If you lose your phone or it's damaged, this is the only way to get your assets back. To back it up, go into your Bifrost wallet settings and find the recovery phrase option. The app will likely ask you to confirm your PIN or use biometrics to access it. When the words appear, it's critical to write them down, physically, on a piece of paper. Do not take a screenshot, do not email it to yourself, and don't save it in a text file. A digital copy can be compromised. Write each word down carefully, paying close attention to the spelling and the order. Double-check your work to make sure every word is correct and in the right sequence. Once you're done, store that piece of paper in a secure, private location. Consider making a second copy and storing it somewhere else, like a fireproof safe, for added security. Now, what if you need to restore your wallet? This is where your backup comes in. If you've lost your device or are migrating to a new one, download the Bifrost Wallet app. When you open it, select the option to restore or import an existing wallet. The app will then prompt you to enter your recovery phrase. Take the paper where you wrote your recovery phrase and enter each word one by one into the app. Be careful to type them exactly as you wrote them, in the correct order, and with a single space between each word. Once you've entered the entire phrase, the app will validate it, and you'll be able to create a new PIN. After a brief sync, your wallet and all of your assets will be accessible again, just as they were before. Remember, your recovery phrase is the only thing that stands between you and your crypto. Treat it like cash, and keep it safe. Back up your Bifrost wallet, and you'll always be in control of your digital assets.